Custom Keto Diet Review. One of the vital parts of losing weight is you diet. Correcting your bad eating habits and wisely picking the foods that you are going to incorporate in your diet as your gateway to achieving your body goals. The Custom Keto Diet is a new diet designed to help you stay healthy and fit in the long run. What is Custom Keto Diet? Custom Keto is a keto diet plan designed by Rachel Roberts. It is a unique ketogenic program that allows you to receive a personalized diet which will start ketosis and help you lose weight. What does the Custom Keto program contain? The Custom Keto Diet Plan is not a diet, it's a lifestyle guide for transforming your bad eating habits to provide your body with what it needs to achieve your health, fitness and weight loss goals. Yes, it's all about what the foods you put into your body, but unlike diets, everything you receive from the Custom Keto Diet Plan is based on what your specific body needs. It doesn't involve counting calories, figuring out portions, or reading nutritional labels and trying to decipher them. Everything is done for you, so all you have to do is follow along with the day-by-day, meal-by-meal plans provided to you. With every meal, you get the recommended portion size based on your specific body and goals, and a breakdown of the nutrition so you can learn what your body needs, making it easy to continue well after the 8 weeks are over. Now, here is a peek at some of the things you will enjoy from the product: keto bacon recipes, keto fat bombs, keto party snacks, keto superfood smoothie recipes, keto peanut butter threats, keto savory foods, keto chocolate treats, avocado recipes, keto desserts, keto cookies and fast keto recipes. Aside from these recipes, you will also importantly get an A to Z of everything you need to know about the ketogenic diet. You also receive 11 digital cookbooks, and once you have all the knowledge needed to understand the ketogenic diet and lifestyle, and how it will help you achieve optimal health and your ideal weight, the program provides you with additional content to make the process even easier. This includes things such as shopping lists for each week, day-to-day recipes for breakfast, lunch, dinner and snacks, nutritional breakdown of every recipes and meal, portion sizes, option to swap meals that don't appeal to you. Pros: it significantly increases fat burning. It's simple and easy to follow. Hunger cravings will fade. You don't have to exercise to reap the benefits. It's healthy and safe. Cons: weight loss with this plan comes gradually. Results are not automatic. You have to patiently follow. You have to take some steps in buying and cooking the prescribed foods. It comes with a lot of self-control and discipline. To buy Custom Keto Diet from official website, click the link in description below. Thanks for watching.